Back when we were kids growing up in Munising, the sleds we had, we couldn't even imagine some of the places that we go today. Flash forward 20 years, and I feel the technology of the snowmobiles has really given us the advantage of increasing our riding capabilities and going to areas that we had never been before. If you decide to come up and ride the backcountry, there's a few things you're going to want to have. First of all, a capable snowmobile. Make sure you have a little bigger lug and a little longer track. It goes a long ways. Second, you're going to want to have all the proper gear. First aid kit, fire starter, lighter, a saw, a shovel. Make sure you have the proper gear, a dry set of goggles, a dry set of gloves. Always carry those with you. It goes a long way. When riding backcountry in the Hiawatha National Forest, there's a couple things you're going to want to watch out for. First thing is the protected wilderness areas. They're well marked and you'll see to stay out of there. Second is going to be the cross-country ski trails. Make sure you stay off of those. There's plenty of woods for everybody. Third is going to be the bike paths. You'll see those signs as well. Otherwise, it's 100% legal, and in fact, it's encouraged.